Hello again, everybody. In this video I will show and teach you 3 super simple card tricks. You don't need any training, sleight of hand or anything else to show these tricks. You just need a simple deck of playing cards and that's it. Let's start with the first trick. It's the hardest one. First, I'm going to shuffle the pack of cards. For this trick, I'll need my trusty assistants. These are 2 red aces. Again, I'll shuffle the deck and let the spectator remember 1 card. It's the 4 of clubs. I will hide the 4 of clubs and shuffle the deck properly. But no matter how I hide it, my loyal aces will find it quickly. All I have to do is wave my hands. The 4 of clubs is here. It's very easy. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and we'll start the tutorial. Welcome to the tutorial. To begin, take any pack of cards and shuffle it. Next, take 2 red aces out of the deck. Now invite the viewer to memorize any card. I flip through the deck and show a random card to the spectator. I will place the top pile of the deck on my pinky, on the break. Hide it in the deck and move it to the bottom. I use the double undercut technique. Watch me do it. Now the easiest part remains. I place 1 ace on top and the second ace on the bottom, extending it slightly. I place my fingers on the spectator's card. Now, with a sudden movement of my hand, I discard the entire pack of cards, leaving only 3 cards. These are the aces and the spectator's card. Let's do the second trick. It's even simpler than the first trick. I call it the triple flip. In our noble tradition, I shuffle the deck of cards. Now our spectator remembers any card. Wow! It's the 7 of diamonds, Ed Marlowe's favorite card. I'm gonna hide it in the deck. I'll do a ribbon spread. Do you see your card? Of course not. Then I'll use 3 magic flips. 1, 2, 3. I snap my fingers and your card reveals itself in the deck. Let's get to learning. I take the deck of cards and shuffle it. Now our spectator chooses any card. The ubiquitous 5 of diamonds comes up again. I hide it in the deck and control the top of the deck. Watch me do it. Again, I use the double undercut technique. And there's our card on top. I spread the ribbon of cards on the table. You can't see the card. I lift the top card slightly and do 3 magic flips. 1, 2, 3. Again I do the ribbon spread and now everyone can see the spectator's card. The third card trick is the simplest of all. Its secret is very simple. The first step is to shuffle the cards and let my spectator memorize the card. The spectator's card is the 7 of clubs. Nice. I put the card in the middle of the deck and hide it properly. To find the spectator's card, I do one magic move. Look! And there's the beautiful 7. Welcome to learning this trick. First, I'll shuffle the cards. The spectator remembers the card. It's the Jack of clubs. I hide it in the deck and control it upstairs using the double undercut. The Jack is at the top of the deck. Now I move it slightly to the right, raise my hand and just drop the deck into my other hand. During the drop, the Jack will flip over on its own and reveal itself. Bye, everybody.